என்னடா கரண்ட் கிட்டலாம் என்ன விளையாட வைக்கிற? என்ன இது அநியாயம் பண்ற நீ? மணி பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் பக்கத்துல வச்சு நீ ஏன் அப்படி செய்யறியா? அப்படி கொளுத்தி கொளுத்தி போடுற.
இங்கே தான் இங்கே எடுத்துட்டோ இங்கே எடுத்துட்டோ இங்கே காமி. Hi, this is Dizzy. I'm going to experiment today my laser cutting instrument which I made myself. It works on 4.4 volt and 2 milliamps. And here is the diode. This is very tiny, very small. Let me zoom in. See. This is the diode. This is the diode, which is very small. Don't just underestimate because it's so small. It's so powerful. You can literally cut anything. It can literally burn anything within seconds. Let me experiment this to you in front of your eyes. Since this is an infrared laser, we need to wear a laser protection goggle. I guess one is not enough, so another one. Well, let's go ahead. We'll start. Okay, now it's working on 4 volt. See, you can believe it burns matches within seconds. Oh, I must be very precaution because it burns within seconds. And this is a wood which I'm trying to burn. Yeah, well, within seconds. How great. Okay, now let me show you. This is a tape, a normal tape I'm trying to cut. Oh, sorry for having you on night vision. Let me put back to a normal vision. Okay, well, I'll show you how this, I'll show you, oh, I'm sorry, let me show you how this burn match and cut tapes within seconds. And this is a tape, I'm planning to cut this. Sorry, this is smoking and this is getting burnt, so I'm stopping this experiment. Let me turn off. This works with just 4 volt and 2 milliamps. Thank you for watching. This is Dizzy with many more experiments in future.